Hello friends, welcome back to my channel SK Codify, and in this series of video we are going to talk about the regular expressions. We are talking about the regular expressions. In the previous video we talked about the theoretical portion of regular expressions, like what is this and where we can use it. In this video we are going to see how we can use it. We are going to see some sample. So in the previous video, as I mentioned, a regular expression is built with basically four things: patterns, modifiers, and meta characters and quantifiers. So in this video we are going to see the practical thing. Okay, so let's start. First let's run a simple regular expression. Let's try to do something. Okay, so what we are going to do, okay, so here what we have is we have a string, okay, with a phrase, with a sentence, something written here. Okay, hello friends, welcome to my channel SK Codify. On this SK Codify channel you will we will talk about Java and JavaScript. So you can see this word coming two times here. I intentionally wrote this sentence the way uh, that it comes two times. Okay, let's see something. Okay, we are going to write some very simple regular expression and see this result. Okay, we are going to say, so this greetings is a string, and in the string class we have a function called match. Okay, match and match all. In the match function we can provide, in the match and match all, we can provide the regular expression. Okay, and this is how the regular expression is written in the JavaScript. uh, in this two slash, in between of these two slash, we have to declare our regular expressions. So friends, a simple sequence of characters like this is a sequence of character which makes a word, right? This is also a regular expressions. Okay, this is also a valid regular expression. Let's see what the result we are going to get. Console.log and the result. Okay, so what here we are asking JavaScript regular expression engine to do: find this word, find this sequence of character from this string. Okay, so let's run this. uh, okay, so here we have got something. So it is saying, okay, the result is given array here. What is that we searched, where did it find, and what was the source. Okay, so this is how it gives you the result. Let's see more things, so we will get more insight about this. um, Friends, um, you might noticed like, we have two we have two SK codify here, right? We have two SK codify here, but we found only one. Why? We will talk about this later in a moment, but before that I would like to talk about, okay, let's clear this. Before that I would like to talk about, what if we give the sequence of character this way, means in uppercase. Okay, we are giving the sequence of character in uppercase, but in this string it is present in different case, camel case or something different case. Okay, so the case will not match. Okay, the case is not going to match and we are not going to get the result. Okay, node app.js. Okay, we are not going to get the result. So what we can do, because in practical scenario here we are just learning. We have the string in front of us, so we know, okay, skcodify is there and we can write that same case. But it's not in the practical case, it's not in the project. In the project you will have a string variable and you don't know, maybe you don't know what is in the case, what is the case of this particular word. Maybe you may know it, or you may not know it. Okay, so if we are not sure what is the case, so we can say ignore the case. Okay, so I is a modifier. Now let's talk about the modifiers. So friends, this is a pattern, this is a modifier. Okay, so we have a modifier called I, which ignores the case. Okay, so we have two more modifiers, we'll talk about that. um, so let's run this, and yeah, see, now it's able to find it. Okay, now it's able to find it. Now see the second modifier. Okay, okay, now the other um, thing that we wanted to talk about, we have two skcodify here, but we found only one. Why? Because this match function, what is doing is, it is finding the first match and giving the return. Okay, okay, let's try. So for that we have a modifier called G. Okay, G is stands for global match, means it is not going to stop on first match. It will find the entire phrase, entire string, entire file, whatever the source of, you know, whatever the source data is. Okay, so let's run this, and what we are going to go get here, you see we found that two match. Okay, skcodify, but you might have noticed about, previously we were getting the array, I mean we were getting that index number also. Here we are not getting the index number. So if the match is suitable for, uh, for single search, it means not for, global search, not for multiple search. So we have, that's why we have a function called, match all. When you are running with the, global match, and we need the proper information, here the information is in sort, like it is confirming that okay, there are two match, but it's not giving complete details like the index. So try to run that on, try to use this function match all. Okay, yes, match all will give you uh, the iterator of the regular expressions. Okay, so what we can do, we can create an array from this result. Okay, should we print this? Let's try to, yeah. So we created the array from that iterator. Okay, so now the important thing is, like, we are getting all the matches. See this, if there is another, let's say I'm typing here again something. So the first, let me make it a bit more up. So the first match is 37, second index is 54. Now let's run it again and let's make it clear. Okay, and see, the third match is on index 111. So yeah, this is about ignoring the case and running the match to the end of means finding all the matches. Okay. um, Now the next thing is the multi-line. What does it mean basically? Your search will not be, um, our search will not be restricted to a single line of sentence. And like, if your line is broken, a new line is there. Okay, a new line is there, then even our match is going to work. Our regular expression is going to work. Okay. So let's run this, and we are getting, see this. Okay. So okay, in this video uh, we covered the modifier thing. Okay, just for the sake of making short video should not be so long, so we are covering only this modifier in this video. We will, in the next video I will create and we'll talk more about patterns and meta characters. Okay, so stay connected, and if you like, then please do like it and subscribe it and share with your friend if you like it. um, Thank you.